Most people treat a truck gun like a disposable afterthought, a rusty relic buried under floor mats that they hope they'll never actually have to touch. That's a dangerous gamble. When you're caught in a flash flood or facing an aggressive threat on a lonely back road, that beater needs to be your best friend. We aren't talking about safe queens, we're talking about tools that earn their keep in the grit and the grime. Today, we're breaking down the 15 firearms dominating the American cab. Let's dive in. Palmetto State Armory Jackal. The Jackal is the ultimate everything gun. It combines the best of the AR-15 and the AK-47 into a long-stroke piston-driven platform that doesn't need a buffer tube. What does that mean for you? It means you can fire it with the stock folded. It's a 300 Blackout or 5.56 powerhouse that fits in a backpack on your passenger seat. PSA has priced this to move, making high-end modularity accessible for every American truck owner on a budget. Kel-Tec Sub 2000. This is the quintessential emergency firearm. The Sub 2000 folds completely in half, shrinking to a tiny 16 inches. It's designed to share magazines with your favorite handgun, like a Glock or M&P. If you have to abandon your vehicle and move on foot, this carbine stays hidden in a standard laptop bag. It gives you rifle-like accuracy out to 100 yards while using affordable 9 ammo. It's thin, lightweight, and arguably the most clever folding design ever produced. Heckler & Koch SP5. Sometimes the budget isn't about the price tag, it's about the cost of failure. The SP5 is the civilian legal version of the legendary MP5. While it's the most expensive entry on this list, it's here because of its roller-delayed blowback system. This tech makes it the softest shooting 9 you'll ever fire inside a cramped cabin. It's compact, iconic, and offers world-class reliability for the driver who refuses to compromise on their primary survival tool, Axor Arms FSS Mini Shotgun. Space is the most expensive commodity in your truck. The Axor Arms FSS solves that by folding completely in half. This Turkish-made 12-gauge pump fits into a standard toolbox or a large glove box with ease. While it's a budget-friendly import, it brings 3+1 rounds of gravity-defying utility to the ranch. It's not a clay shooter, it's a compact insurance policy for clearing blockages or protecting your gear when you're miles from the nearest paved road. Springfield Armory Kuna. The Kuna series represents the new guard of sleek, manageable truck pistols. Designed with a focus on ergonomics, it offers a grip that feels natural even when you're drawing in a hurry from a holster tucked near the steering column. It's rugged, features high-capacity magazines, and stays incredibly flat under recoil. For the driver who wants the reliability of a full-size duty gun but needs it to disappear into a side door pocket, Kuna is a top-tier contender. Mossberg Maverick 88. If you want the most bang for your buck in history, this is it. Often found for under $250, the Maverick 88 is the working man's champion. It shares almost all its DNA with the military-grade Mossberg 500. It features dual extractors and an anti-jam elevator that just won't quit, even if it's covered in dust and road salt. It's the gun you aren't afraid to get dirty because you know no matter what, it's gonna go bang. Smith & Wesson M&P FPC. The FPC takes the folding carbine concept and perfects it. Unlike other folders, this one hinges sideways, meaning you can keep your red dot or glass mounted and zeroed at all times. It shares magazines with the M&P pistol series, giving you instant compatibility. With its integrated magazine storage in the stock and a 16-inch folded footprint, it's the ultimate backpack gun. It's reliable, fast to deploy, and built with Smith & Wesson's duty-grade precision. Remington TAC-14. Think a short barrel means a legal headache? Think again. The TAC-14 isn't a shotgun, it's a firearm, giving you 12-gauge devastation in a 26-inch package without the NFA paperwork. Built on the legendary Model 870 steel receiver, it's virtually indestructible. The Raptor pistol grip handles the kick, while the Magpul M-LOK forend lets you mount a light for nighttime emergencies. It's the ultimate get-off-my-running board tool that tucks perfectly between your seat and center console. Mossberg 590 Shockwave. This is the heavy-duty version of the short barrel concept. Built on the legendary 590 action with dual extractors and a clean-out tube, it's a tank in a 26-inch frame. Because it's a factory firearm with a bird's head grip, it bypasses the NFA hassle while delivering full 12-gauge authority. It's the gold standard for high-stress vehicle defense where simplicity is life. Rack it, aim it, and the problem goes away. It's pure, unadulterated American muscle. Henry AR-7 Survival Rifle. Designed for Air Force pilots, the AR-7 is the ultimate just-in-case insurance policy. The entire rifle, barrel, receiver, and magazines breaks down and stows inside the waterproof floating stock. It's light enough to toss in a glove box and rugged enough to survive a wreck. While it's a .22 LR, its ability to stay protected from the elements until the moment you need it makes it a legendary piece of gear for any American explorer. H&K UMP-45. If you need to stop a threat cold, the UMP-45 brings the hammer. Designed to be a lighter, more polymer-focused successor to the MP5, this beast, chambered in .45 ACP, offers massive stopping power in a package that won't rust in a humid truck bed. It's built for simplicity and durability. With its folding stock, it's easy to deploy from a driver's seat, giving you submachine gun ergonomics with the punch of a heavyweight boxer. Sauer MCX Rattler LT. The Rattler LT is engineering voodoo. It manages to cram a full-power rifle caliber into a footprint smaller than most submachine guns. Thanks to its short-stroke gas piston system, it functions flawlessly even with the stock folded. It's designed for discreet carry and rapid deployment from vehicles. If you find yourself in a situation where a pistol isn't enough but a full-sized rifle is too bulky, the Rattler is the professional's answer to vehicle-borne chaos. Ruger 1022 Takedown. If your survival plan involves staying alive in the wilderness rather than a shootout, this is your king. The Takedown model splits into two pieces in seconds, fitting into a discreet carrying case behind your seat. It's the world's most reliable rimfire, allowing you to carry hundreds of rounds without the weight of a heavy kit. It's quiet, surgical, and impervious to the elements in its stainless steel trim. For a get-home gun, it has no equal. Extar EP9 Budget PCC. The EP9 is the best-kept secret in the firearms world. At a price that beats almost every competitor, it offers a proprietary recoil system that makes 9mm feel like a rimfire. It's constructed from high-grade polymers, making it incredibly light and rust-resistant in damp truck cabs. It feeds from standard Glock magazines and maintains a compact footprint that slides under a seat. For the driver on a budget who needs a reliable, rapid-fire PDW, the EP9 is unbeatable. B&T APC9 Pro. If you want the absolute best that money can buy for a vehicle, this is the crown jewel. The APC9 Pro features a hydraulic buffer system that virtually eliminates recoil, allowing for surgical follow-up shots in high-stress situations. It's modular, incredibly compact, and built to Swiss standards of perfection. It's the choice of elite professional units for a reason. When your life depends on a gun that fits in a center console, you choose the APC9. Whether you're looking for the raw power of a 12-gauge or the surgical precision of a folding carbine, the perfect truck gun is the one you actually have with you when things go south. Reliability is non-negotiable, but accessibility is what wins the day. So I've got to ask, which one of these 15 is riding shotgun in your rig right now? Did I miss a budget beast that deserves a spot? Drop your setup in the comments. We're hitting the range to see which of these actually survives a mud and dust torture test. You won't want to miss that. Stay armed, stay ready. I'll see you on the next one.